Blank weatherproof covers are used to cover boxes not in use or junction boxes. Complements 4-inch. Round weatherproof boxes installed in wet, damp or dry locations. Stamped steel construction and powder coated for corrosion resistance. Includes hardware and gasket. Product is UL and CSA listed, suitable for wet locations and NEMA 3R rated. Sigma's weatherproof round blank covers are used to protect junction boxes or boxes not in use. Stamped steel blank covers are powder coated for maximum corrosion resistance and complement 4-inch round weatherproof boxes installed in wet, damp or dry locations. Cover includes hardware and gasket. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my box. Don't know what all the complaints are. It's a cover for around 4 box. Fit mine to a T. Well made, screws fit, gasket fits.